Yo, my dudes, how's it going? It's Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back. Today we are doing some more GitWeb development. Sorry I was like a minute late there. Mr. Latefish. Oh my god. That's my name. I'm gonna rename my channel to that, guys. I'm gonna rename my channel to that because it's what so everybody keeps calling me now. But I'm actually standing up today. I'm actually standing up. Look at this. I can do some Cray dancing or something like that. Someone donates like 20 bucks, I have to do a dance. If we get 4 new sponsors, I have to do a dance. I don't know. Something like that. I want to do like some... I wish I had a green screen. Because like I'm inspired by are we in the right? Hold up. Yeah, we are. I'm just confused because over in the cheese and cracker jar it doesn't actually have like... Oh, whoopsie. That's kind of a little sneak preview of something that's coming. Whoops. Hello. I'm doing some improvements to my live streaming layouts. I'll give you $20 a month if you do the We Did It song at the end of every stream. What's the We Did It song? I don't even know what that is. This is basically what I'm gonna do is like have all the emojis show. It's gonna have all the emojis show. So like if like just so I can show you what you can get if you become a sponsor. Because I'm always we're trying to get sponsors on this channel, But I just want to show like people what you get if you do become a sponsor. And I want to create a really cool kind of animation for it. Hashtag demonetized. Sponsor blocks you away for free plugs. Yo, change the sponsor icon. I'm sponsored for 3 months. I'm actually getting something in the works right now, so keep a hold on your sponsor. I am gonna have some new sponsor icons real soon. Because I gotta get a friend to make them. So I messaged him already. I'm like, dude, hook me up with some images. So he should. Hopefully we'll have something by the end of the week. I did give him like some idea. Oh, I did say kind of what I want. It doesn't have to be like I know what the kind of time that's going to go into it, because it's not going to be like super duper crazy for each icon. It just needs to be an improvement of the next one, of the last one. What's up, Cray? What's up, Blue Lightning? I see you. I'm doing good. We're doing some GitWeb development today, guys. I'll update you guys on the progress right now if you haven't been in these live streams at all. If you have a multi-threaded program, using async will allow that chunk of code to be executed independent of the threading. Who's this? That is very true. You know what I could probably do? Now you mentioned like threading and whatnot. In my API, I've got like, where is it? Here, the online request. However, this actually only uses a single thread. So you can imagine if you're loading up lots of stuff, right? If you're loading up lots of stuff, it has to load it one by one. So what I might do with this is start like a thread pool or something like that, so we can actually load a lot of things at once. Because for instance, like GitWeb, right? GitWeb might load up a lot of images. So we want to be able to load up a lot of images at once. Can you give me a shout out if I give you one? Wait, what? If you guys want to get a shout out, you have to go over my Twitter, link in the description below, and retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shout out. That's the only way I do shout outs in these live streams. Do not ask for a different way because I do not do a different way. Unless you donate $1 billion. $1 billion. I mean, I shout out everybody that donates, so that's another way to do it. So on BlueJ, I'm adding a bunch of dialogues and error system, and improving the use resources system like files and folders, cause PR. $1 billion coming up. All right. So, GitWeb, my dudes, GitWeb. Now, if you guys have any ideas for modules, please do let me know because we're slowly running out of ideas here. We're slowly running out of ideas. Furnace module. Oh yeah, we could do that today actually. Do you guys want to see the furnace module today? Crafting module. New Java class. Let's make sure we've committed all our stuff first. Slideshow. Nothing really important. Furnace module. Random things module. But if you're gonna suggest a module, think about, you know, real websites. Think about real websites and what they have, because I don't want to add very specific modules. I want to add versatile ones, like something that can be used on any website, that can be used on everything. So like we added a footer module, we added a header module, we added a paragraph module, like very basic things like that, which you can use. You can use a lot of them to construct a website. Comments module, it's nothing dynamic. No input, sorry. I think we're gonna stick with no input and just have like, kind of like Web 1.0 type stuff, where it's like read only. But it is possible to do dynamic stuff. I'll tell you right now, it is possible to actually do dynamic stuff if you develop your own. Oh, what was it? This Penguin song. Where's my Stream Deck not working? Where's the Stream Deck not working? Uh-oh. Hold on. Stream Deck, what's going on? Hold on, I need to unplug it. Ah, crap. Oh my god, where's the music? Sorry. Stream Deck's not turning on. My god. Dang it. Why is it not? It's like turning on kind of, but it's not initializing. Hold up. Let me just close it completely. Exit Stream Deck. Like, it's not, it looks like it's, I don't know how to describe it. Hold up. It's never done this before. Please tell me it's not broken. Please tell me it's not broken. Let me try a different USB. Hold up. Slight issue. Dang it. Hold on, I just need to... Oh, please tell me my stream deck hasn't given the ghost. Let's try it one more time. I won't have to end the live stream. It's just like it's the stream deck. You know, it's the stream deck. It's my utility thing to change scenes and whatnot. I mean, I can do it manually. It's just it's a lot more difficult to actually change stuff around. Make a website that's just a huge picture of SpongeBob saying, "He put you on a planet." Oh my god! Like, not even. Like, it's not even like it comes on for like a second and then it just flashes and so like what? It like keeps flashing. Oh my god, hold up. How are we gonna see if we can capture something? Oh, I'm just trying to get a video of it. Yo, who wants to retweet this for me? Who wants to retweet this for me? So I just got a video of it. I can show you guys. Hold up. Let me go face. Hey, what's up? So hopefully you guys can see it. Hold up. So to watch it, do it again. Does some weird stuff. So gotta do something about it. Gotta do something about it. Alright. I know this view is kind of beautiful. Is this view beautiful or what? Is view beautiful or what? Oh, program. There we go. I don't know if there's any warranty or anything. Maybe a local store that I have to go to, but then I'm not sure if I kept the receipt. I don't know what the receipt is. Where did I actually get it from? Where did I get it from? I ordered it. Oh no, I ordered it off Amazon or something. Did I? I forgot where I got it from. I didn't get it locally. I know I didn't. Or did I? Oh no, I did. I pre-ordered it. Oh my god. I pre-ordered this stuff. Yeah, you got it. Rip Stream Deck, 140 on Amazon. It's $200 here though. It's $200 here, my dude. Stream Deck. Let's have a look. Yeah, $200. Australian dollars. I know. So much more expensive here. Let me think. When did I get it? Hold up, let's have a look. When did I actually get this? Hold up, I just need to... 2 seconds, guys. I gotta turn off my screen for a moment. Just while I bring up my emails. Cause, you know, just in case. Let's see if I can find anything. Oh, folders. See if I can find anything. My God. So the way your Dialog's API works makes BlueJ sad, Lameo. So I'm only gonna make my own Dialog API that kind of feeds off yours. What do you mean, dude? Yeah, there's like, yeah, my dialogues need to be fixed a little bit. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find. Don't know if I'm gonna be able to find a receipt. Oh no, here we go. Ah, it's just a bunch of Twitch stuff from like ages ago. Unless I did it in my Gato. I don't know how long I've had this thing for. Let's have a look. Twitter. How can I search my own tweets? Is it possible to search your own tweets? Ah, here we go. Advanced. Elgato. From this account, Mr. Cray. Fish. Maybe I haven't used it. This will say stream. I'll say deck. Deck is more of a word I would have used. May. Oh my God. It's like literally less than a year. Worked for less than a year. All right. Because I pre-ordered it on the 2nd of May last year. pre-ordered it on the 2nd of May, so it didn't actually come out, but I've had it less than a year, and it's already, from the looks of it, it's already... I mean, I'll give it... I could, like... It's hard. I need to test it out on, like, something else. Like, I need to test it out on... I need to test it out on, like, my laptop or something like that. I'll pop out... I'm just gonna still send it. If you guys want to go if you guys want to go like it and retweet it over on Twitter. If you guys want to like it and retweet it over on Twitter, that would be appreciated. But I'm gonna, I'll test it out on my laptop later. But the thing is, like, why I'm tweeting about it is because I actually use it all the time, surprisingly. Like, I always use it for my live streams because it allows me to change the volume, go next, allows me to change scenes. Eventually what we're going to do is make it so it pops up. If I press the button right, it will show this up. Obviously not that, that's just kind of a test, but it will show that up. So, I mean, this, I guess they've never had somebody actually use it for a year, you know? They've never had somebody actually use it for a year. So... yeah, maybe something with Stream Deck 2. Stream Deck 2, where's that at? Add a dirt bike and vehicle mod? Maybe. Fast as heck, boy. Finally, I arrived at the beginning of my first module stream. Thanks, YouTube. Hey, what's up, Ocelot? How you doing, dude? Phone about to die, so I got to go for now, but I'll be back later. Yeet! Thanks for coming along, Blue Lightning. Thanks for coming along, Blue Lightning. Furnace module, alrighty. So, we're gonna make it like... oh yeah, I wanted to clean up the crafting module. Hold on, give me 2 secs, guys. I gotta go toilet. I gotta go toilet. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like... walking around this room like, alright, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Trying to distract myself from the toilet. I'll be back in a second. Stay with me, please. Please. This should just be the start of the live stream now. This should just be the start of the live stream. Welcome back, everybody. It's Mr. Crayfish. I'm back, though. Have a coffee, they say. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, they say. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we first might actually clean up the crafting module. Or do we clean it up or not? Because basically we added in this title and description, but maybe it's a good idea to keep it in. Maybe we'll only make it like so you have to have the title and description. Did you get the newest builder I sent, Mr. Crayfish? I don't know, I haven't looked. Oh, maybe I have. Because like this one's pointless. This one here is pointless when you use a title module. So but like this is going to be like in combination, so it's kind of awkward. Oh, well, technically it can still be like optional. Like title could be optional. So if there's no title, yeah, that can work. Alright, let's change that around. Hello Mr. Crayfish, I got bored and made a new mod called Playing Cards. It adds cards that you can throw. Interesting. Please put a media file link to your model creator because the link is not working. Thank you, Crayfish. It should work completely fine. Lel. I was just eating cheese and crackers. Yo, that's what's up, dude. That's what's up. Hopefully they'll get back to me. I mean, I don't think they'll get back to me instantly because they don't do the support at this time. But if you guys go like it over on Twitter, that'd be appreciated. Like it at least. You don't have to retweet, you can just like it at the least. Because you guys don't know, my Elgato Stream Deck, it might be just like a software issue. It might be a software issue. So what I'll do is I'll see if I can download like an older version and install it on my laptop and then plug it in there and see if it does anything different. Because we could actually test this out right now. If I go to open recent, Let's have a look here. Stream Deck Java. Hold up. Run this. What happens? Okay, maybe it's more serious than a software issue. Does it actually capture any of this input? Let's have a look. Hold up. Does it capture any input? Deck listener. Nah. She seems a little brick. Seems a little bricked. Hold on, let's go close. Let's exit Elgato's software. Lel. It's like literally an initialization. It like initializes and then it closes off. Sick. I don't want to have to fork out another $200 just for it. That's the thing though. For something that lasted a year, which is pretty pretty poor in my opinion for a device, which is pretty poor. And it's not like it goes on every day, but I don't use it every single day. I only use it for the live streams mainly. I don't use it any other time, so I haven't been bashing it or anything like that. So like I haven't, it's not like it hasn't been like under super duper heavy use. So pretty disappointed in that, to be honest. Pretty disappointed. Cause you know, I like the thing. I like the thing. I think it's cool. You can do some really awesome stuff with it. But is it reliable in the long run? So far, no. But I can't say that for all of them. Maybe it's just this one. But hopefully they can get back to me. Is this a mod which you can open GIF? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? I don't know what you mean. Alrighty, so modules. Let's go back into here because we're going to do this dynamically. We're going to debug it instead. What am I doing? We're working on GitWeb, my dude. We're working on GitWeb. So I don't want this to happen. Basically what we want to do is so that should never happen now. So I'll say title of data if we'll say if data dot contains key title it feels such like a weird thing to do this, but like I need like it needs to be executed if it does contain either of those. Alright, and then we need to say here for the height. Oh no, text doesn't matter. That actually won't work correctly. Alright, we need to change around the height. So otherwise 5. There we go. So that should work better now. And then we'll say here, get rid of that. Through me. So if data contains title, then we'll say, well, we don't need to change the height, we just need to go only if it contains the description. The height would never change, regardless if the title's there or not. Except for in this case here, but we'll fix that up. You make me move. So we can say if contains title 12, otherwise 5. Alright, there we go. Can't make clothes collide. Is that what it actually says? That'd be funny. Can't make clothes collide. There is now a black theme is easy on my eyes. Yeah, it absolutely is. It's better. I think it's been better on my eyes, to be honest. It has been better on my eyes, so that's good. Alright, let's go ahead. Let's test this out right now. So it didn't have to reload anything, but pretty sure it's hashtag text. Oh, no, this is crafting. Whoops. Crafting text equals, so title equals hello text, oh, like desk equals word up dudes. There we go, cool. You make me move. What up, dudes? This is a text module and I just want to test what happens if this is a long string. Will it go to a new line and look nice? Oh, there we go, cool. So that's just an example of what will happen. So it looks like that's working fine. Looks like it's working fine. What up, the club minions? I'm doing good, dude. They always ask what you're doing, not how you're doing. They always ask it, not how you. They never ask how you're doing. Saddest day ever. I can never remember the right word. But yeah, I appreciate any likes or anything on the Elgato tweet if you guys are here. I might shout if you like it, I'll shout you out. All right, that would be the thing. I'll shout you out both on the retweet for a shout out and the Elgato one. What is the stream about? What app are you using? This is just the GitWeb builder. We're just working on modules today. I just wanted to clean up some modules. clean up some modules. I'm going to add in a new one as well. Crafting module. Improved. Title. No title. Mr. Crayfish wearing red shirt confirmed. It's a jumper. It's a jumper. Or a sweater if you're in America. I need a sweater because I want to sweat. It's peanut butter jelly time. Oh my god. We don't eat peanut butter jelly here, by the way. That's only like an American thing. What the F? What the heck is a jumper? That's what we call this. It's like, this ain't a sweater. This is a jumper. Cause you know we jump. Kobe. Alright, crafting module. Improved layout. Improved layout of components. Alright, there we go. Cool. Oh my god, really, Australia? Hey, that's not the worst. That's not the worst. That's not the worst. What do you think thongs are called here in Australia? What do you think thongs are in Australia? There you go. Thongs are completely different here than what you think it is. Thongs. What do you guys think thongs are in Australia? Everybody wears thongs, even guys. Nobody knows what it is. I need to fix up this. What was the capital of Australia? Canberra. Canberra. Canberra, not cranberry. Ain't no cranberry. Alright, so fix that up. What I want to do is rename the text module to... Hold on, let's go ahead and pull this up. I want you guys to be able to see it, what I'm doing. This is going to be a paragraph module. And then inside of GitWeb frame, I want to register it different. Paragraph. Rest in peace, any websites. The studio background is not there. Are you good, bro? What do you mean? Most of my friends at school think it is Sydney. Do they? I think a lot of people think that. It's not Sydney. Like literally nobody lives in Canberra. Apparently that's like the most expensive place to live as well. Like there's nothing fancy about it at all. And like the capital, like the actual city, the CBD is like crap. I think. Like it's like the it's not even anything special. Get good. Someone on Twitter right now, get good. Get good at GitWeb. Alright. So renamed text module to paragraph. Alright. Who's Jojo? I don't know who that is. Jojo Swear. What the heck? I don't even know who that is. Some girl. That beat is growing. Don't let the bear get your bread again. The IQ is powerful. Like, seriously, like, plus 10 IQ with this. She is a singer and a popular YouTuber. Never heard of her before. So, no. No for now. Only because I haven't watched anything. Probably normie. Probably normie. Who agrees? Probably normie. What the heck? She has 6 million subs. Probably normie. Oh wait, did I put my timer wrong? Like 60 seconds? Hold up. Let me fix it up. It wasn't supposed to be 60 seconds. Hold on, I'm fixing it up. The slow mode shouldn't be that slow. Monetization. The heck? Monetization apparently. Apparently this stream's not appropriate, guys. Oh no, it's 5 seconds. Come on. My GitWeb development isn't against isn't again. That's why I hate YouTube. Demonetized, guys. Demonetized. Can we get that in the chat right now? Demonetized. Stop stream. Restart. Lel. I must have said heck. I must have said heck in the live stream, guys. Demonized. Do you like Justin Bieber? Yeah. Music's good. People are like, why you like him? It's good. Why are you hating? I think everybody likes Justin Bieber now. Like, before it was like cringy, but now it's like good. Demonetized equals Justin Bieber, that's probably why now. Permanently demonetized on every video in the future. Lel. Demonetized for say get good at GitWeb. It's because YouTube was like, I can't. YouTube was like, how do you use GitWeb? And I'm just like, you know, YouTube, get good. Get good. YouTube's just got a little bit salty when I said that. Get good at GitWeb. Like, nah, I'm demonetizing you because GitWeb sucks. Yeet. It's because I didn't say yeet yet. I didn't say yeet yet. They're like, once you say yeet, we'll put that back up for monetization, alright? Yeet! Make demonetization great again. Did you name the stream MEDUALS instead of modules on purpose? Yes, we're developing MEDUALS today. Alright? MEDUALS. Alright? It's MEDUALS, not modules, alright? MEDUALS, not modules. MEDUALS. MEDUALS. It's my juice. My juice. Alright, so it's pretty much gonna be the same as this. So we can copy and paste a lot of this stuff. Except the crafting box, furnace box. Let's say furnace box. Get good at GitWeb. Textures, GUI. I mean, yeah, no one likes his original stuff. Like that song, obviously his Baby is a crap song. Baby is a crap song. You know what we could do? We could just simply put another one of these. Is that gonna fit there? Ah, you gotta be kidding me. Oh well, we'll just put it under it. Now I need to get the furnace GUI. GG. When you try to have a casual stream, but YouTube is not paid enough, so they just demonetize everyone. Get good, YouTube. Get good. I'm excited for the animated part. What do you mean? What do you mean you're excited for the animated? Oh, the animation. That's easy. That is easy to do. You need to animate the flame. It's easy as heckin'. Easy as heckin'. Whoops. Apparently that's the center. So apparently that's the center. Let's just double check. We can do like a test here. So that's 21. And that is 21. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Might have to rename this to be like, let's call it like, what can we call this instead of crafting box? Call it, we can call it, what should we call this texture? Because it contains different crafting and furnace and container boxes. I don't know, container boxes. That's probably a good way to do it. Container boxes. YouTube either hates GitWeb or they don't like it when a streamer code live. They're hacking. Container box. Interfaces. It's not really an interface. Container box. Container GUIs. They're not container in. Container interface. Container box. I don't know, container boxes.
Margrathers, can you make Fury True Mod safer? Could you give me shoutouts?
Who's this, Mr. Coach? Can you make Furniture Mod CE for 1.12.2? Could you give me a shout out? Yo, Mr. Shellfish, what up, dude? How you doing? Cheers for the $5 donation. $5 super chat. I might actually update the community edition. Like, I'm not sure if I'm going to add new features, but I might update it. So, look out for it. Because I think, like, so many people have been asking me to do it anyway. Like, so many. Like, it's unbelievable. Like, Twitter, YouTube, all this type of stuff. So, yeah, I might do a quick update so you guys can download it. It'll be, like, available on my website or something like that. And you'll be able to get it. Yeah, I'll be able to get it. Alright. Container boxes. Say container boxes. Container boxes. Why didn't you post today? I posted on Twitter why I didn't. I could have recorded a video, but that would have been like a pretty half-effort video, and I didn't want to do that. I'd rather skip a day than post a crap... Basically, it would have been a crap video that would have done poorly on the YouTube algorithm. So, I'd rather wait a day. I said crap, yeah. Demonetized. See, this is why crayfish you can't get. This is why you're getting demonetized, crayfish. You can't say heck on live stream. You can't say crap on live stream. Is mum still in the sewers? Oh my god, I think so. What's this? 68. Draw texture UV 0 68. I'll call it input instead. I could say input fuel. Guess we'll have to have multiple input fuel result. Input fuel and result. When are you going to release GitHub for device mod? Next update most likely will be when it's released. Next update, which I want to get out soon. I estimated like 2 to 4 weeks. I really need to create like a slot array. Slot. What does that contain? Yeah, but the thing is, I don't need like this stuff. It needs to be like a private. We might do like a private protected class slot. And we'll have like private item stack. I think that's all we need really. Oh no, we need a position. Private int x. Private int y. Crayfish, what's up? Where'd you learn to code? I've just been practicing for years. When are you going to release? Oh no, I've already read that out. I'm creating dialog attributes that have built-in exception handling to make handling like attributes like width, title, height, contents easy to manage regarding errors. Okay, interesting. Snap the like button equal to false. Hey, snap that like button if you're I can't even. Usually I would have a button on my stream deck that I'd press to remind you guys to snap that like button, but my stream deck's broken, so can't do anything about it. I should probably not slam it or anything like that. Lel, but I'll test it out on my laptop. Maybe it's just something to do with my computer, I don't know. Because it was working completely fine yesterday. Can you update the vending machine mod to 1.12.2 please? Maybe. It's just the vending machine mod's not like finished or anything like that. It's like pretty poor. We'll say on initialize. On initialize, we'll say we could almost just change this to like slot. Input slot. We can just say like input slot equals new slot. Blah blah blah. New slot. What's the position of it? I don't know. We can just do like a render first. Let's render that. Overlay. Can you change the fart sound in your furniture mod back to the old ones? What do you mean? It is. Or did I do something? I don't know. Make a cash register mod? Interesting. Do you own any pets? No, I do not. Do you like MJ? What? What's MJ? Mountain Dew? I don't know. Input. Fuel. We'll figure out what these are. Michael Jackson? Is that who you're referring to? Do you like just you should probably say the full word, because you could be like, do you like MEATZLFT? It's an abbreviation, but do you like them? You could write anything. Do you like Bob? And then Bob could stand for like big, open biscuits. I do know who Michael Jackson is. I do know who Michael Jackson is. I'm just saying I don't know what MJ could stand for. It could stand for anything. It could stand for, I don't know, mini, I don't know. Could stand for anything. Mango juice. Yeah, I love mango juice. Mango juice is epic. See? You get my point? You could write, do you like food? But then food could be an abbreviation of fighting original orangutans dead. And you'll be like, I'm offended. I'm offended. He likes fighting original orangutans dead. I don't even know. See, you gotta tell me. You gotta tell me. Alright. Go to GitWeb frame here. Let's register. Furnace, whoops. Let's register the furnace module and let's start up the game again. Fighting original orangutans demonetized. Demonetized. Do I like that? Yes. See? You know, you could have been asking me, you know, do you like food? But really, you meant that. I watched your bathroom update video with furniture mod and a new video, and the newer sounds sound different than the old ones. I'm not sure what the old ones are though now. Do you like Unspeakable Gaming? I know of him, but I've never really watched his videos. But I know he's a pretty big YouTuber. I know he's a pretty big YouTuber. How about Moosecraft? I don't think I've ever heard of him. To be honest, I've never heard of him. New site. Let's go hashtag furnace. We can literally just go live. Oh, did that not work? Hold up. Furnace box. UV. UV. Why didn't that work? Oh, I know why. Furnace module. Because they're doing something wrong. Just say null, null, null. Ah! Did it crash? Render util. Should have had like if stack equals. Alright, we'll do like if input doesn't equal to null. That'll work. If it doesn't equal to null, that's fine. Just for now. Should do it as like air, to be honest, or empty. Stack should never be null. True. Should be like item stack. Empty. Could do something like that. It's just the problem here, like we'll just do furnace module. But the thing is, we're not dealing like, I can understand if we're actually using it properly. I can understand if we're actually using it properly, but because we're not using it like as an actual inventory item type thing, you know, we can use null if we really want to. You get me? But we'll just say it's better practice to use the empty. I was trying to find my receipt for the stream deck. I don't know where it is, but I'll have to look for it. But I might be able to find something like online potentially. I don't know. Calculate height. Where's the null pointer exception? Entry get module. Oh. Maybe it's trying to create a plain website. That's most likely why. So there we go. Furnace module. Could you make your whole town for download? I'm not releasing my whole town. Sorry about that. Alright, let's say input. Oh, we actually haven't done this. Say input fuel. Say slot input slot fuel and then slot result. We have a problem here though. Oh no, this won't, if this crashes, this won't be set to null, so it should be fine. Alright, there we go. Slot input, whoops. Slot input equals Minecraft stick. I think we're gonna do count 1B or something like that. Alright, there we go. Damn it, I gotta do this now. I swear this never works now. There we go. gotta figure out how the stick render in the inventory. So it's kind of like, okay. Damn it. +5. There we go, that's right now. So let's go back to here. We'll do slot fuel equals that as well. Alright, and then plus. Perfect. And then the result. It's fun having to basically create your own bindings of primitive types. Please render the item slot hover overlay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. We do Minecraft stone count 1B. I think it'd be easy for me to position it if I know. Because then I'll be able to like roughly get it centered. Let's have a look. Is that centered? Is that centered? That looks centered to me. Alright, so now we need to also draw the overlay. But what I was gonna do is like I just went to go reach for my stream deck and I just realized, yeah, it's broken. We will say item stack empty. Oh no, we don't really need to do that. Like void render. Let's say, whoopsie. Say slot X. Hold up. Slot X. Parameter, yeah. Oh my god, the amount of refactoring need for that, holy shoot. Slot Y. Exclude. Holy shoot. So we're just gonna go ahead and do like this. Stack. Slot X. Slot Y. Then we need like public void render overlay. Yeah, we don't really need anything else. I will need access to int x, int y. I'll say slot x, slot y, 16. Alright, we'll get rid of that. Stack. Laptop get item tooltip. Whatever. I think there's something like here, or render, draw hovering text. I think it's here, yeah. Enable depth. After it, what the? What's going on here? Disable lighting. Oh, it's like enable lighting. No, it's already doing it. I think one of these. Disable standard item lighting. Let's rescale normal. Rescale normal. Don't know, one of those. Now we need to do like, I should make like a kind of a, we'll do like for now, I'll do it afterwards. List slot, slots equals new array list. Do something like this. So slots to add new slot 25 8 input. $25, $44 will be the fuel, and $85, $26 will be the result. And then we can get rid of that. I love Cray because I don't like this stream because they boring. Ripperoni, dude. Yeah, no, it's not for everybody, and that's why these streams aren't like super popular, because half the people don't enjoy really watching it. Can you do a house tour in real life? Maybe, I don't know. Possibly. That'd be educational though. Ripper Nito. What? Nito. Stone. Stone's still on about the JB. Justin Bieber. Still on about that Justin Bieber. And then we can do like slot stuff for each slots. Slot.render XY. And then after that we do slots.render overlay. Laptop XY. Mouse. Too easy. Too easy. But what can I do? Alright, so we'll start the game here and let's see if this will work now. Should do. It should do. Survive. Survive. I need you to survive. But yeah, I'm doing shoutouts. If you're wondering, at the end of this live stream, I always do shoutouts. If you guys want to get a shoutout, go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shoutout. I'm also going to be shouting out people that like and retweet the Elgato tweet as well. Because if you guys don't know and you just joined, my Elgato Stream Deck seems to have given up the ghost. Because it's like it's not initializing properly. So release laser mod. I do want to release the laser mod. It's just not ready to be released. It doesn't have crafting recipes. There's bugs. So I keep saying this, but like if I released it now, you're gonna come to me and you're gonna be like, there's bugs. There's no crafting recipes. If I don't release it, you're gonna be like, when are you releasing it? So there's no win. There's no win for me. There is no win. Furnace. Just say slot input equals ID. Rep. Load raw. I probably came up as a Is it weird I like watch people coding because I learn from their coding strategies? It's not weird at all. That's how a lot of people can learn. Learn from example. I like watching people, yeah, I think I like watching people code. I actually haven't watched anybody code. But like, it's good to see, like, it's cool to see how like different people think about different problems. Cause like, there'll be a problem, right? But there's like an infinite amount of solutions to it. So it's good to see how people tackle it. And I've seen it a lot in university as well. It's like, you'll be like, oh, how are you doing this? And how are you doing that? I remember, what's it, first year of uni. I don't know how people did it, but like first years, I think it was like first years where they wrote a solution to a problem with one class. Like a super duper long class, and I'm just like, alright. I don't know how you wrote it all in one class, but you did. And then instead of like, because like logically like writing it all in one class was like a pretty bad idea. Like I just could not think, how do people actually do that? And I instead, you know, obviously created separate classes and all that type of stuff to make it a whole lot easier and a whole lot more readable. I just don't know how they actually did it in one class. It was really weird. Started streaming 2 hours ago, did I? Not yet. It hasn't been 2 hours yet. It will be 2 hours and like 20 minutes. In actually 23 minutes to be exact. I hate that one class kind of people. There is no class in this. Yeah, like if you want to represent like an object or something, you know. I think when we were actually doing this, when we were doing that project, it was like we had to keep a list. We had to keep a list of basically we're building this application that would generate a quote. And then a quote would have like the price. It would have the amount of products it needs, the quantity of product, had like the price, the quantity, and whatnot. And obviously, it's completely rational to say that can be a class, because you can have a class, you can have the quote price, you can have the quantity and whatnot. Wasn't exactly that, I'm just kind of using it as an example, but obviously it's completely normal to create a class for that. No rational person would not create a... No rational person would put that in one file. No rational person would put that in one file. Stop it. Go home. Rethink your life. Rip encapsulation, rip inheritance, rip polymorphism, rip object-oriented programming. Pretty much. But then yeah, like, it's because like half the people that go to university and do programming have probably never programmed before. Stop it. Get some help. Yeah, half the people that get to university haven't programmed before, so it's like, yeah, they're not really sure what to do. Let's get ID. I'll just do Minecraft stick, whatever. Yeah, boy. Oops. We'll have to fix that up, but... yeah. Slight issue there with the cropping, but we'll fix that up. Stick. Alright, so now we need to add in the other things. We're just gonna go ahead and I think it was this line here, fixed. No pointer. Crash. Because that would return a module that doesn't exist and then try to actually utilize it. Alright. Furnace module. Is this where it renders it? No, it just generates. Furnace box. Here we go. Handle tick. I keep getting signed and unsigned mixed up. What are you programming with? You doing like C++? I like eating cheese and crackers with drink. Dronk. I love dronks. Cheese and crackers with a dronk. Signed, unsigned means it has no sign. It's pretty easy. Pretty easy. Alright. We'll say private int progress counter. Oh, maybe that progress timer. Fuel timer, I don't know. Progress timer, and we'll say fuel timer. So, what's the progress of a furnace? Furnace. Get cook progress. Scaled 24. Get field. Tile furnace, whoopsie. Tile entity furnace. I'm using what's called a sealed class hierarchy, which you should invest into. Sealed classes. Ah, Kotlin. Of course, Kotlin. Alright. We'll have to, I guess, like, we'll have to try and, is there a way to, is that the only place it gets it? Or is that actual, no, I think it only, I don't know if you can override it or not. I don't think you can. Get cook time. I think it's permanently 200. So we'll say in furnace, say if, we'll say progress timer plus plus. That'd be bad, actually. We'll say progress time equals 0. We'll just do it like that. Fuel timer. Fuel timer depends on the actual fuel now. Total cook time. So we need to actually do can smelt item. Oh, here we go. Get item burn time. Okay, cool. So that's a actual. Yeah, here we go. Private int fuel time. Fuel. Do that. What do you use to make your thumbnails? I use Photoshop. Otherwise, a great program is Paint.net, which I actually used to use for my thumbnails, but switched over to Photoshop because it's a whole lot better. Because like what I do is I actually I save every single one of my hold up, let me go ahead and bring this over. I save like everything. Like these are all my thumbnails. I save every Photoshop document. Because like I might use it again in the future, and I have done it a lot. Because I'll be like, oh yeah, I remember using that in one of those thumbnails. So I save everything in the Photoshop and a PNG format for it. So yeah, really cool. What's it? How many? Look how many files I got in here. If I go like from here, I got 1,000. Oh, it already says it in there. 1,181 items, and there's like more in here. There's more in there. More in here. Device API Season 2. Mod Week. Vlog. When I did vlogs ages ago. So a bunch of cool stuff. How do you say Photoshop? I'm terrible. It's called practice. I was terrible at it before, but it's called practice, my dudes. So GUI furnace, get cook progress scaled. So we're just gonna copy that. Cook progress scaled, so what is that? So 2 is the cook time, total cook time. So fuel timer. Oh, this is cook progress scaled. Whoops. Progress timer. That will say 200. Alright, there we go. And then we also need burn left scaled. So I'll say this I equals this dot cook timer, fuel timer. I know that would be fuel time. Or we could just do it there. This dot fuel timer. We could just do that. Is GitWeb a Google Chrome browser for device mode or just an API? It's neither. It's a custom implementation of a web browser, which actually it still technically uses online, because basically what we do is we store all the websites on a GitHub repo. But yeah, it's because like we can't implement a real web browser because it's too difficult, and I'm not going to go into details because I've explained it so many times, literally probably like 50 times, on why we're not doing it at all. So do not ask, like, you know, it's easy, crayfish. Just spend time doing it, you know, you're lazy. That's like the #1 excuse. Like, if I don't implement something, it's because I'm lazy. But no, if you actually look into, you know, how rendering a web page works and whatnot, it's way too difficult. Crayfish, add in a space station or you're lazy. Who can create the best request? Who can create the best request? Let me know. Who's that? Huh. All I need is crayfish and some code to make a furnace mod. Create a universe or you're lazy. What's a... Create a mod that overhauls the entire Minecraft or you're lazy, crayfish. Come on, it will only take 2 days, alright? It will only take 2 days to create a whole transformation mod. We'll have to adjust a bunch of these, but Texture X. We have to fix this up. Texture X 130.68, and that is for the fuel. 130 68. Cook progress would be 130 again, and $130.82. Then I don't know. I just don't want to use like I. Alright, there we go. Let's go start this now. And let's see if this works. You're too laggy because someone made an add-on to access the real internet for your device mod and my FPS dropped like the Twin Towers. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's like, someone created a very hacky way to do it. Like, very hacky way. As it was more of a concept than an actual proper implementation. And it's because they were using like a J-frame and then just rendering that to a buffered image. And then they were basically uploading it to an OpenGL texture, and then it was very messy. It's very messy. It was literally just hacks. But I guess like any code that runs what is code. There's like a saying like, if it works, it works, or something like that. Because like, we're literally just writing, like the CPU doesn't even know what it's executing. As long as it gets the right result, it's the right result. But there's better ways to do things and more efficient ways. But yeah, it's a J-frame they were using or something like that. That's how I feel about mental health therapies. What, that it... If it works, it works. Let's go. Slot. Fuel. We'll do like, ID, Minecraft, Co. Lel. Lel. So let's just reposition a bunch of that code. We'll go full screen. Why isn't half this auto detect? There we go. Just takes forever. I don't know why it takes forever now on the new OBS for it to. It doesn't. I know it does keep it actually. Okay, interesting. Interesting. So progress. Let's say 30. Nope. Is that 1 pixel up? Here it is. Is that right? Is that what it's supposed to be like? I just don't like that it doesn't tick. You'll see it doesn't like tick. Once it reaches the end, it doesn't like, it has like one extra tick in it. Guess it's kind of fine. Also, I'm pretty sure fuel... Also, I'm pretty sure fuel time is going to be take. Let's see what happens. Oh, I might have to restart it now. Is less than... I'm gonna say this dot fuel time equals this dot fuel time. Probably still need to do that. We can just go back here, start that again. I think we need to just mark it as it's changed. It's because it's super long. Not sure what's going on here. What part is it rendering? It's like rendering the top bit of it. It might be something to do with my scaling. Tile entity furnace. Find Sir Piggles. Is Mum in the sewers still? Probably. Hey Cray, when I push basket in your vehicle mod, it glitches and it looks like the cart is in my body. Yeah, it's not. The shopping cart is still in development. People just nag me to release it. They're like, release it. Basically, this is the process. Crayfish, release the shopping cart. Okay, releases it. Crayfish, it's buggy. Oh my god, Crayfish, it's buggy. Why'd you release it? That's the cycle there. That's the cycle. Cray, you have no Wi-Fi and you can use the internet. Yeah, no, I'm gonna fix that up. Don't worry. I'm gonna fix it up. Sir Piggles is on Phronos, what? Have you ever listened to Joe Rogan's stand-up? No, I haven't. Is it good? Should I? Cray, I've been working on a texture pack for the gun mod. The results are great. I haven't retextured every gun. Do you want to see it? Sure. Send me some pictures over on Twitter or Discord. That can work well. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see it, my dude. There's red eyes in the furnace. Yeah, I gotta fix it up. Let's have a look. What's that actually coming out as? Let's go system. No, that's not right. System O. Burn progress. What's it actually coming out as? So it's right. I think it's... It's something to do with my rendering. Let's have a look. Okay, so the coordinates have to be the bottom. So 81. I think. That looks right now. Oh, almost got it. I can't tell if that's right or not though. Is that right? I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Is that what it's supposed to look like? One to the left? Is it what? Is it too far to the left? Is it too far to the left? Hold up, let me go ahead and copy that. Not Notepad++. No! I hate Notepad+ now because I open up so many things and then yeah. Let's have a look. So it's gonna be like rendered. Let's have a look now. Huh. Don't rush him. Is it like bucket lava? My god. It's saying probably like fuel time. Let's say and I equals fuel time. If I equals 0. Let's see, I equals 200. Should have seen that. Should have seen that coming. smart, put a stick in your DVD drive and let the computer cook it, and then you can have a burnt stick. 1 left and move up flame. What I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road. Please answer, I can't download buttoRemember. Have you got obfuscate? Have you got obfuscate? Oops, hold up. What's that bucket called? Lava bucket. Lel. Lava. How come it like gets rid of it like instantly? It's gonna be doing something different. I think it might be something like to do with is burning, cook time, clamp. Is it like something to do with the rendering? Where's the render? Oh no, it's the GLF furnace that would be doing it. Whoops. I don't know what it is. Such a confusing render. Because the thing is, like, in here, right? It's like all the way at the top there. Like, see how it's like stopped. That's how crazy this is. Like, it should be rendering like all the way up to the top. But mine doesn't. Mine doesn't do it. Lava bucket. See, it like stop. It like renders for like 2 seconds. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Like renders for like literally like a frame. Also, apparently it's gonna be left. Apparently, according to move up, left, right, 1. What? Move left and right frame 1. You said move up, left, and up. Apparently, that's your idea there. That is yours. That is your suggestion. I had it right. I moved it 1 pixel. I literally did your suggestion. You said left, 1 left, and up. Literally did your suggestion, dude. That is the correct. correct way there. It's probably something to do with get scaled. Am I just doing something wrong? You need to see one. Oh my god. Please do not troll. Why doesn't, like, this is like, that's like stuck. This furnace is broken. This furnace broke. I know this is broken, but why does this keep like... Why is this not like decreasing at all? We could do like, you know, math. Hold on. Could do like, you know, math seal. Could do something like that. Still doesn't do it. Hold on. Then I probably don't even need that. Do you like Fortnite? Yeah, it's a good game. I play it from time to time. I play a lot of Call of Duty though, I would say. I play a lot of Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Call of Duty because it's dirty. Might play a game afterwards while I have lunch. So what do you guys think? Pretty good? You think it's cool? Do you think it's cool, guys? Furnace module for you. And then we could also do like, you know, we could do like title equals hello. Desk equals what up, pimps? And you can do something like that. Pretty cool. What up, pimps? I might also make it so eventually you can like align this on this side instead. Align it on the other side. Have Ethan Klein's face below. Should do it. What up, pimps? Do you like popular MMOs? Yeah, I like them. I don't watch them, but they reviewed a couple of my mods. They haven't they haven't reviewed any of the my new mods. They haven't reviewed my laptop mod yet. So if you want to go tweet them or something like that, that would be pretty good. If you could tweet them, just tell them about my device mod, and yeah, that'd be pretty cool. And as well, they should check out my vehicle mod. Dude, like, this pop filter gonna get nasty as heck. true. That's a real recipe, by the way, guys. It's a real recipe. It's a real recipe right there. It's a real recipe. Alright, pretty cool. Could have been swimming in diamonds the whole time. It is actually the other way around. So yeah, there's an example of like a example. Say furnace module example. Let's just save that so we can bring it up later on if we want to. Add highlights. What do you mean? Please? What do you mean highlights? Whenever you hover, a slightly highlights. Oh, that's what you mean. Don't really gotta do it, to be honest, because it's not like I don't want to indicate that it's like a clickable slot. I think, like, in my opinion, just more interested in what the actual item is, if anything, because it's not a clickable slot. It's just. Alright, we're gonna commit that. Alright, so say added furnace module. Added furnace module. And what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna do a new component. We'll say container. We'll call it container box extends component. Oops, you guys can't see. Lel. Then in there, right, we're gonna have that. We might also make the definition of this inside of there too. Oops. I can fly, and he can't fly, so he can't. I tell you right now, he can't fly. Make that protected too. We're gonna copy a render method into there. That's gonna say this. Yeah. We could store like the X and the Y. Container box int box U. Box V, then we could do something like box U. Box U. Box V. Could do something like that, right? think there's a render overlay, yeah, there is. I think we can get away with that, actually. We can do that, right? And then we can say, get rid of that. I'll say container box. We'll say 068. Get rid of that. We can say super.render x, y, mouse y, window active, and partial ticks. Alright, we can do that. We're also going to move that into it. There we go. Just going to make sure we're not... Alright, okay. That shouldn't be that anymore. Because then what we can do here is we can change that as well to a container box. Right. And this will be 0. Might have like a method here like private void set ingredients. Set ingredients. That would do like oh, we don't need that actually. We can say slot start add new slot pos x, pos y. This is the ingredients, isn't it? Ingredients. What's the ingredients I? We can do that. Do something like that, and then this result. I don't add new slot. 102.26. Result. There we go. Get rid of this. Get rid of all that. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of all of that. Probably have to restart the game here. How do you get... what? Cray, for the love of potatoes, please tells me if you have a normal Discord besides the Vice API Discord. Yeah, we actually have another Discord. The Mr. Crayfish one. So this one's for like... more general, but it still has like Minecraft modding support. It has off-topic stuff here. We have voice channels, but then there's also a premium area if we're a sponsor on this channel. Can you please make a modding tutorial about dimensions? Most likely not. I don't even I've personally never worked with dimensions, so you're asking somebody that doesn't know anything about dimensions. You know, funny enough, you know, I mod Minecraft, but I don't know anything about dimensions. But I've never ever worked with them or wanted to add in one, so Never really learned how to add one in, to be honest. Let's go load furnace module example. Pop that up. What the heckin' is going on here? I think I know why. It's because we rendered that. We need to rebind it. We need to rebind the texture. Super. I think it's private too. Yeah, we'll say protected. Alright, there we go. Hold up. Yeah, I think it's after when we do the slots right here, that's where it doesn't render correctly, because the binding changes after that. Please reply me when you're going to release football and laser mod. Football mod, the soccer mod, whatever's not finished yet. It's like uncraftable. You have to summon it. The laser mod, again, buggy, doesn't have crafting recipes, there's bugs in it, so I don't want to release these mods and then they turn out to be bugged, and then you come back to me and you're like, because like you're asking like, release it, Crayfish, and then I release a buggy mod and you're like, why is it buggy? Where are the crafting recipes? So I'd rather wait until I've finished. I'd rather just keep heckling me, say like, release it, than saying it's buggy, because you didn't realize the consequence of me releasing a mod early. Alright, so there we go, fix that up. Let's add a crafting one in. Crafting. I'll just say slot result equals... Oh, we don't even have to do that, to be honest. We just have to... Oh no, we do want to test it out. Slot result equals ID Minecraft stick. Alright, so that worked. Also, I fixed up the issue with the highlighting there. Stick, let's just go. What we're going to do is export that slot. I think it's a slot 1. Something like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back, new site. Alright, there we go, cool. Pretty sure in the actual crafting recipe it does it like to the actual edge here. Because right now I'm doing like 16 by 16. So we could fix it up to be more, not like flash like that. See how it's like kind of flashing? But I mean, so far it works. Well, I'm happy it works now. Because that actually made like the crafting box one. Look how simple that is. That's the crafting box component. Made it really simple. Got rid of like everything. Cleaned, created a cleaned up container boxes. Container box code. Improved. Improved. Created a simplified. I don't know what to call it. Create a simplified I don't know what I'd call it, to be honest. Improved container boxes by creating it's like a para, by creating a super. Whatever. Haters gonna hate. But that's gonna end off this live stream today, my dudes. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. We didn't really create any new modules today, but we cleaned up a lot of the code and actually made it a lot better. I mean, we added the furnace module, sorry. We added a furnace module, so that's kind of good progress. Furnace module is done. We're still most likely going to have to do like an anvil module. Kind of get all the kind of basic ones. Anvil module, maybe enchantment. No, not enchantment module. That wouldn't be a thing, really. Anvil module, brewing module. So we've still got a couple of those to go. But once we've done that, we're pretty much Gucci to go. We're pretty much Gucci to go. We're still gonna, yeah, we still need to add in a bunch more. I'm not really sure what we want to add in though. Maybe like add in like a Minecraft module. Play Minecraft in Minecraft inside of the GitWeb. Please no. Please no. What else could we do? I don't know what else we could do. I need more module ideas. If you guys have module ideas, do let me know. Probably like a what if we have like an image grid module or something? Image grid module, which would be like images, but then like you could actually like click on the image and that would bring up like a bigger view of it or something like that. But then again, yeah, that could be just like normal images. An image Minecraft module. If you guys have any ideas for modules, please do let me know. Maybe we'll do like a little session right now. Module ideas. Send me them right now. Send me them idea, like an image grid. We need a... Let me think. What do we need? Let's think about websites. What's Google got? It's kind of, you know, it's got navigation. People said pagination, but don't know how well that would go. Don't know. Great work. YouTube module? Nah, no YouTube soz. Collapsible sections like descriptions. Can't do anything dynamic, sorry. Like I can't do collapsible because it's not like active rendering. It's like a fixed positioning of everything, so like I can't dynamically move components. Animations. No, I can't do animations. So it's maps, a gun shop, Tinker's construct module. That would be like yeah, that'd be taking it a little bit further, but crafting module, already done it. Already done a crafting module. Forms. I'm not sure if I want to do. I think I want to keep GitWeb like purely just static content. I don't want to have like dynamic like inputs and stuff like that. I think I'm just going to be like read only, basically. Because like once we go into more like if we were to do inputs and that type of stuff, it's going to take it too far. Create servers in game that allow us to store data. I mean, yeah, it's just, yeah, it takes it a little bit further. Buy vehicles online. Yeah, I'd have to, could work with the, yeah, the thing is, like, this is the problem, though. You can't, like, it's hard to, like, because, like, anybody could create, like, a shop module. anybody could create a shop module, right? And set the price to whatever they want. They could set it to like, yeah. I just can't do shop modules because if anybody could set the price of them, so they could set like the price to like 1 stick and you get like 1 billion diamonds. As cool as it is, it would be hell on servers because it means you could just cheat. So shops unfortunately can't work with this. Shops can't work. It would only work if it knew, like if there was an actual inventory and you could set it up locally, but it's a little bit too much work just for that. And it means it wouldn't work. Like let's say you created a shop module on you know, Git, like on the actual repo, wouldn't know where to look for the actual shop. So with the furniture mod computer, you could change the prices of mine be. You can, but like the thing is, if you're on a server, right? If you're on a server, the server overrides the prices, so the admin of the server can control the prices. It doesn't matter as single player. And I'm thinking about multiplayer. I'm thinking in terms of multiplayer. Because if you cheat in single player, you cheat in single player. Nobody cares. If you cheat in multiplayer, then you know people do care. I can't use an admin lock. It's not that easy. Because how do you restrict somebody from writing a shop module? It's just literally plain text. Game module. Game. I said game module. Cheating. I'm cheating in single player. What happened to boat races? It's just not registered. No Slither.io module. Oh my god. Slither.io module. You gotta think about more just generic components. Generic components, dudes. Like very generic, like images, an image slideshow. I do want to add to the paragraph module like an image, so you can add an image to it. Subscribe account module, Fortnite module. Oh my god, subscribe account module. Yeah, I don't know. It can be done, but video module. And back. The ability to print pictures from online sources. That would be more like, that would be more of an application. Someone should actually do that. Can someone do that? Create an application that loads an image from online and converts it into the right format and then sends it to the printer. Can someone do that? Make it an actual good application, and then maybe I'll certify it if it looks like a good application. Because then it would be really cool, and like make it so you can actually save it as a pixel painter image as well, so then you could like actually open it up. That'd be interesting. Or I should just implement it into Pixel Painter, to be honest. I should just make a thing in Pixel Painter. Sorry, Oscar, I'm going to do it in Pixel Painter. You need to fix the rendering. It is already fixed. Someone already fixed it. I mean, it needs some slight improvement still, but the rendering already kind of works. Not with 3D, it doesn't. With the normal 2D, it does. Don't enable 3D. Whatever you do, don't enable 3D. Yeah, it's because whoever improved it, I forgot who it was, they didn't like do it like kind of correct. Because they upload and then delete the texture. I forgot where it is, to be honest. Print. Forgot where it gets registered. I think it's a proxy, client proxy. Register print. Where's that get called? Here we go. Pixel Painter. Yeah, here it is. So paper background, flipped. Yeah, here. Bind, delete, lel. It's not that good. It needs to be like upload, cache. By the way, I didn't write this, just so you guys know. Needs to be like upload, cache. If painting doesn't exist, delete the texture. Basically, I just need to store like, a how could I do that though? The problem is, like, let's say we have two paintings that are the same. You'd want them to be coming from the same thing. So don't know how I would do it. I guess it doesn't really matter if we just have, even if it's the same, just cache it separately. It's just when it doesn't exist, just delete the texture. Yeah. That can work. Because it's pretty expensive uploading it. Uploading and deleting. So I'll definitely have to fix that up. But anyway, that is going to end off the stream. I don't think image slideshow modules, redstone signal emitters. Somebody's already doing that, I'm pretty sure. Armor module. Google Images module. Notification module. Yeah, I don't know. It's been 3 hours. Yeah, it pretty much has been. But thanks, guys, for coming along. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. Now, I said I was going to do shoutouts for people that retweeted. For people that retweeted the GitWeb, which is like 20 people. Holy shoot. We have a shout out to Roland Stone, Builderboy426, Jake Paul Sykes, Sean Angels, Aldo Varelli, J Splat, Lister Zapanta, Gaming Anime, King Polar 04, Master Chief, Yesser Ash, Yesser, is that, wait, hold on, let me get this right. Yesser Al Shinwa. There we go. Forful TNT Egg TV, Offend, I think, Offend, I don't know. Minecraft Doodler, T God Raiden, Haunted Corpse, Space Cat, Ocelot, Zychrome HD, Donovan Wood, and then let's go ahead. Let's see who retweeted the Elgato and liked it. Do it for all the people that retweeted and liked it as well. J Splat, Unequal Gamer, T God Raiden, Ocelot, Haunted Corpse, Avery, and then who liked it? Byron, Endos, Bios, Neoloon, J Splat, Radigev, Big Bubba Booth. I don't know what that is. Fries with Fries, Pluxyway, Out of Varelli, Unequal Gamer, Bob, Jahanes, Dareth, and Mining Mark and Haunted Corpse. Cheers, guys, for the support there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys. Just make sure some of you guys, maybe you guys quoted it. Byron quoted. King, oh yeah, a ton of you guys quoted. Gilo. I think that's it. Thanks, guys, for supporting me over on Twitter there, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed the stream today. I'm going to go ahead and end this off right now, but catch me next time. where we will continue working on some more modules, getting stuff done, and yeah, it's coming along together. I think like we're getting to a point where we actually have enough modules really, but yeah, it's pretty good so far. But I do want to add in as many as I can, just so people can actually create really have a lot of customization in the websites. But that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.